When I assumed office on 25th August 2022, I swore to uphold the rule of law and govern in accordance with the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya at all times. You are aware of the glaring irregularities and inconsistencies that existed in the county government of Bungoma by the time I took over office. To address those irregularities and inconsistencies, I constituted a task force that looked into the issues and came up with a draft of recommendations that led to the interdiction of the county secretary, deputy county secretary, county attorney, and 5 chief officers. On 3rd of February 2023, interdicted Mr. Joseph Wakoli Wambati and Mr. Isaac Mukenya Welihe for exercising the duties and responsibilities of the county secretary and head of public service and the deputy respectively, following the reported acts of gross misconduct in discharge of their duties. On 16th of February 2023, the 2 officers moved to the Employment and Labor Relations Court in Bungoma and filed petitions challenging their interdiction and seeking orders to restrain myself from forming the disciplinary committee to hear and determine their respective cases as it's required by the Public Service Commission discipline manual for the public service. The court heard their petitions and rendered its decision on 23rd March 2023, whereby the petitions were dismissed as against the county government of Bungoma and myself. I therefore proceeded to form the disciplinary committee to hear the county secretary, deputy county secretary, the county attorney, and the 5 chief officers that were serving interdiction. The committee summoned the said officers to appear for hearing with effect from 11th July 2023 at Mabanga ATC. The deputy county secretary was slated for hearing on 12th July 2023 at 12 noon, while the county secretary was slated for 13th July 2023 at 9 a.m. On 11th and 12th July 2023, the 2 officers, county secretary and deputy county secretary, appeared at Mabanga and caused disruption of the disciplinary proceedings, making it difficult for the committee to carry out its mandate. Despite the earlier acts of gross misconduct, the officers have remained adamant and cooperative and unwilling to be heard. This is unprofessional, uncouth, unacceptable, and contrary to the requirements of Chapter 6 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010 on leadership and integrity. Article 10 on the national values and principles of governance and Article 232 on values and principles of public service. These acts amount to gross misconduct and insubordination.